If you're like me, you spend an awful lot of time sitting. 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 And it turns out that there's numerous health benefits to standing. That's why I've decided to give this new autonomous SmartDesk a try. See all these boxes? There's the surface of the very long black desk, a standing pad, a stool, and this will be the platform. This is my current setup. So first things first, let's get this new desk built.
Hours later.
In case it wasn't obvious, I am not mechanically inclined. And typically, I will make a mistake when I'm putting something together and have to do it again. Well, if you are paying attention, you'll see that's exactly what I did. But it's now put together. You can see here underneath, the two legs are both plugged into this, as well as the cable here that goes to the control pad. So now, we're going to plug it in and hope it works. Press up and down at the same time until the desk beeps and moves down to the lowest level. There we go. Hear no beeping. There we go. Alright, so I guess that then tells us how high the desk is. And to operate the height, we do this. That's how high that is. So let's bring it down. There it goes. So let's find a good height for me. This feels like a pretty good sitting height for me. And so I'm going to push M again, and then push 1. Okay, so let's push the the 2 button to get it to the standing height that I programmed. Away we go. So the material is nice, and you can see here we've got sockets on both the left and the right side for cables to go in here. This is the surf mat, which is supposed to make it easier for you when you're standing like that. It's a little sloped. And this is an ergonomic stool. It's kind of like a Weebles stool. It wobbles, but it don't fall down. So there you have it, the autonomous SmartDesk 2. You can check out their products at autonomous.ai. My next task is to tear down this desk and get the new one in its place. Wish me luck. Well, it took a little bit of doing and disassembling the other desk and taking it to the trash and moving this one here, but I'm all set. My standing desk is standing. I'm standing in front of it. I've got my chair and my stool, so I'm sure I'll be trying out both modes, and I'll check back and let you know how it goes. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. That's where I'm likely to post pictures, at JoelTom, right there. And of course, be sure to subscribe to this channel because I've got more reviews coming your way and maybe some shenanigans. You never know. Do good stuff.